Hey guys, today we're doing highlight. Action. I'm gonna be installing these tail lights from my TL. Very nice. Alright, to put these on, you get to take off this one right here, the tail lights right here, and this one right up here. Same thing for both. I already went ahead and took them off because I wanted to save some time. It looks like these ones are 8s or 5/16. Let me check. Yeah. I'm gonna disconnect the lights right here. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. I think you might also have to take this one off right here. Looks like you also have to remove the bumper. What you want to do is there's a 10 right in here, or right down there. You also gotta remove it right here and just pop it out like this. I just finished putting one side on. It's pretty good. Doesn't think so. Alright. Do the other side. So you gotta take off these 10s right here. Right. You can see. They're down there. Pretty easy. When you install the new taillights, you have to switch everything over to the new one, as in the LEDs, the gaskets, and the lights and everything. Transfer this LED case right over to your new one. Move all the gaskets, and you got to fish this through here. It unclips from right here, so don't get all frustrated. Just don't break these parts right here. It should be good. And that's how it looks like when you pair everything back together. Now time to put it back on the frame right. Here it is, guys, the finished product. The fittment's pretty good on it. I like it a lot. And it goes along with the car too. It matches the license plate frame right there. It's fairly easy. Just a lot of buttons on the bottom right there. Fairly easy. I think it makes the car look a lot more cleaner. Alright, thank you guys for watching. You guys have a good day.